Egglestone Abbey was founded between 1195 and 1198 for pre-Monstratensian canons. Like many abbeys of the time, Egglestone was built on the site of an earlier church, the older church being enlarged and rebuilt to form the new abbey for the White Canons as they were known. The Premonstratensian order was formed in 1121 at Prémontré in France. They adopted the rule of St. Augustine and sometimes used the stricter order of Cistercian rule in the running of their abbeys. The abbey had many issues over the years. Its isolation and poverty meant it was hard to retain the minimum number of canons to maintain abbey status. The required number of canons to maintain the abbey was 12. This was the Christian theology for the 12 apostles. In the early 13th century, the abbot of Prémontré ordered 3 of his English abbots to decide if Egglestone should be reduced to priory status. It was decided to maintain its abbey status, but this did not help to reduce the canon's poverty or ability to grow. Egglestone was attacked and looted on many occasions during the Scottish Wars in 1315, and the abbey fell into disrepair and struggled with taxes. After the dissolution of monasteries closed the abbey in 1540, the site was granted to Robert Strelley. He was a soldier and courtier to Queen Mary I, then later became Chamberlain of the Exchequer. Egglestone was transformed into a mansion using the stone from the old abbey. The lands were farmed, and the workers lived in part of the converted West Wing. Today, the abbey is a beautiful ruin in the Trust of English Heritage and is a short walk from Barnard Castle.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.